$20 unlimited pizza, pasta, and salad per person is now available on the weekends for dinner at Canal Street Eatery. It's only ever been offered Monday through Friday, and they discontinued it earlier this year, and it's back and on the weekends. There are a total of 2 salads, 4 pastas, and 5 pizzas to choose from. I personally love the carbonara and the bolognese, but the other 2 options are pesto and pomodoro, and every single one has a different noodle. And I always go for the little gem salad because of those crispy breadcrumbs. For pizza, you can't skip the spicy soppressata. It's my favorite. The Fresno honey is just so delicious, and the prosciutto, arugula, and chunks of parmesan on the Bismarck pizza is also delicious. This is only available for dine-in, and I definitely recommend you make a reservation.